Welcome to Courtroom Explained, where we calmly break down landmark decisions shaping the justice system. This content is for educational purposes only and not legal advice. Some Supreme Court cases focus on how trials are conducted rather than the crime itself. Batson versus Kentucky, decided in 1986, is one such case. According to court records, a Kentucky prosecutor used peremptory challenges to remove all black prospective jurors from the trial of James Kirkland Batson, who was black, at a time when prosecutors generally did not have to explain their reasons. Peremptory challenges let attorneys remove jurors without stating a cause, but the Equal Protection Clause limits how that discretion can be used. The Supreme Court reconsidered an earlier standard that made it very difficult to prove racial discrimination in jury selection, holding that a defendant could show a constitutional violation based on their own case. The court also established a burden-shifting framework. If a defendant makes a prima facie showing of racial discrimination, the prosecutor must provide a race-neutral explanation for the strike. The Supreme Court ruled in Batson's favor, finding that racial discrimination in jury selection violates the Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment, and sent the case back to the lower court under this new standard. The legal lesson from Batson versus Kentucky is that jury selection must comply with constitutional guarantees, and even discretionary tools like peremptory challenges cannot be used to discriminate based on race. How should courts ensure fairness in jury selection while preserving trial strategy? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you value clear, neutral explanations of landmark cases, consider subscribing to Courtroom Explained.